Okay. How many women members were there in constant assembly? Two women members were there in constant assembly.
51.
Wrong answer. Right answer. 15 women members. How many layers of internal structure of Earth? What are they? Three layers. No. What are they?
Crust, mantle, core.
Right answer. The head of the state. The head of the state. Who is the head of the state? Who is the head of the state? Who is the head of the state?
Governor.
Right answer, governor. What is civil case belongs to? Or what is civil case referred? Civil case referred about. Civil cases referred about. What is civil case? Civil case referred about. First case referred about. Civil cases referred about. Civil cases.
Okay, done.
Okay. Property. Land and property. Full form of LTTE. Right answer. Liberation of. Who was the last Nizam ruler? Who was the last Nizam ruler? Name of the last Nizam ruler. Who was the last Nizam ruler? Nizam ruler. Name of the ruler.
Aurangzeb.
Wrong answer.
Sir, Babur.
Wrong answer.
6 years.
Right answer. 6 years. First Mughal emperor. Who was the first Mughal emperor? Who was the first Mughal emperor? Right answer. Akbar. What is the full form of FDI? What is the full form of FDI? FDI. FDI. What is the full form of FDI? FDI.
The fundamental.
Wrong answer.
Foreign development investment. Foreign direct.
Foreign direct investment. Right answer. Museum. Who constructed? Wrong answer.
Sir, Kudip Shah.
Wrong answer.
Ji.
Wrong answer. Who constructed Salar Jung Museum? Who is the Chief Justice of India? Who is the Chief Justice of Supreme Court? No problem. Who is the Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Wrong answer.
Om Birla.
Sanjay Khanna.
Sanjeev Khanna. Right answer. Sanjeev Khanna. Right answer. Om Birla. Passed away. Who is he? Recently, former Prime Minister of India passed away. Who is he?
Manmohan Singh.
Right answer. Manmohan Singh.
Now?
Sir.
Yes. First of all, the B team.
D.
Yeah. How many pair of adjacent sides of a quadrilateral? How many pairs of adjacent sides? Say loudly.
4.
Means 4 or 4 pairs. 4 pairs is the correct answer. So, when do we celebrate as Pi Day? This is for 9th class. Pi Day. Pi Day. Wait.
Sir, March 14.
Correct answer. Okay. Number of independent measures required to construct a quadrilateral. Number of 5 is the correct answer. How many prime numbers? How many prime numbers between 51 to 100? 51 to 100.
8.
8 is wrong answer.
10.
10 is the correct answer. Name the mathematician who wrote the book, The Elements.
Euclid.
Correct answer once again. Yes. Evaluate 1 power 0 into 2 power 0 minus 3 power 0. Evaluate. We have seen on the questions.
0.
0 is the correct answer. Very good. Next. Number of congruency of triangles in geometry. 4 is the correct answer. Express Ramanujan number in sum of two cubes of number.
1 cube plus 12 cube.
Okay. She told answer. Let's see. Name the scientist or mathematician known as the father of coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Pythagoras is wrong answer. Belongs to 9th class.
Archimedes.
Archimedes. Wrong answer.
Euclid.
Euclid, correct answer. Yes. The sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is
360.
360 degrees is the correct answer. Once again the question is the prime numbers. Number of prime numbers between 1 to 100. Previously different question, now it is different question. 23 is wrong answer.
So 25.
25 is the correct answer. Yes, so with this all over. And Quizmaster got 4 marks. And next D group got 13 marks. D group 13. 1 3. Similarly B group also got 13 marks. B group. Also A group
Also got
13 marks. A, B, D got the same marks and C is got 16 marks. 16 marks.